Hey RSC, today I'm going to prepare a simple home-style king salmon crudo. We're going to top that with hot sesame oil. It's going to be messy, fun, and delicious. Our ingredients today are Ora King Salmon, toasted sesame seeds, fresno chili, lemon, cilantro, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Cut your salmon into bite-sized pieces using a sharp knife. You're then going to transfer your slices onto a heat-resistant platter. You can arrange it anywhere you'd like, or you can keep it simple and just make some cute rows. Go ahead and grate or finely mince some fresh ginger and drop it directly onto sashimi. Sprinkle some cilantro on, that'd be delicious. Cut yourself some fresno chili. It's a nice little color pop as well as a little flavor pop. Brings a little heat to the dish as well. I love it. Next step, after you add as many chilies as you want, sesame seeds. Turn your heat up to medium-high and drizzle approximately 3/4 cup of oil. When your oil is hot, you're going to go ahead and just drizzle that directly onto your salmon prepared on the platter. You're going to hear a little bit of popping, and it's going to start to smell really delicious. From here, you're going to drizzle on a little bit of shoyu or soy sauce, and just sprinkle on just a nice little spritz of lemon, and you're going to want to eat that immediately. It's just absolutely delicious.